We come to Lincoln Tech for their graduates because they have the basics in machining already, and they tend to be very good employees. We've hired several, and they have really good retention, and we just enjoy the people at Lincoln Tech. I've gone to lots of these job fairs at Lincoln Tech and around, and I can tell you Lincoln Tech by far is the best one.
Lincoln Tech has had the best students that have actually come out. I've hired them, I've promoted them, I've helped guide them through, and it's just been a great program. Even when you look at the counts of people, this program has probably had the highest highest participation out of any of the CNC programs in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So with hands down, they come out, they're professional, they're ready to go to work for us for what we're looking for.
People that are going to these trades and investing the time, there's a lot of need for manufacturing personnel in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and I feel Lincoln Tech is reputable and has the programs that are in place and the training that would behoove a lot of companies throughout the area.
Because Lincoln Tech has wonderful students and a great program for not only welders but for machinists as well. And it is vital to our business to have a partnership here so we can continue to get wonderful employees.
Our particular welding type is MIG welding. That's in your curriculum. Your students can hit the ground running at our facility. We do have a welding test, but most of them pass it with flying colors with no issues because they're learning their skills here now.
I come to Lincoln Tech because two of my welders now I got from Lincoln Tech, and I have no complaints about their work ethic and their know-how, and they've been a great fit for Basco Services.
Come to Lincoln Tech because we're looking for quality people with good character. We know that the training that they're getting here is world class, and they have an abundance of knowledge that they're coming to us with. So when we come, we can train them on our machines, our parts, but we know they have a good baseline, and it's something that we have a path forward with the people at Lincoln Tech. So we've hired a few of our welders from Lincoln Tech. We've been impressed. They've been moving up in our ranks. Like I said, with 80 welders, there's a lot of positions for leads and supervisors, and the Lincoln Tech guys, they tend to gravitate towards the leadership positions.